Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 18th of November. And first of all, national news. Adani Enterprises won Golden Peacock Award for ESG excellence. In BJP's Mission Bengal, different strategies to be anchored by top leaders. India US trade deal nearing closer, set to address tariff issue. Official. Every failed relationship cannot be criminalized. Tamil Nadu court. India poised to gain from new US tariff exemptions on key agricultural goods. And now international news. Gazan said they paid $2,000 per seat for flight to South Africa. International student enrollment dropped after Trump's visa overhaul. We will work something out, Trump on prospective meeting with Mamdani. US Saudi Arabia to sign civil nuclear framework, a report said. US imposed visa restrictions on Nicaragua over immigration. UN Security Council adopted US resolution on Gaza peace plan. And now some sports news. Women's Premier League 2026 may start from January 7, final on February 3, a report said. Hitesh Gulia beat ex-world champion Indian boxers continue to dominate at World Cup finals. Business news. India's GDP growth projected at 7% in quarter 2 financial year 26, a report said. That's all in news. Thank you.